In this video, we're going to show you how to install ignition coil boots on your Hummer H3 located on the top side of your engine. Now with the hood open, go ahead and locate the center piece here for your air intake. And we have the air intake tube. Use a flathead screwdriver and loosen up this clamp. Now you're not going to undo it all the way. You want to make sure that you can go ahead and grab that and slip that back and off. Now on the back side over here, you have two 10mm bolts you want to go ahead and access. Use your 10mm socket and extension. Loosen and remove these. Now we're going to be reusing these bolts, so don't lose them. Now that we have everything addressed on this side, let's move to this side. We have to undo this air intake tube as well. You can loosen this clamp or this one here that's attached to the throttle body. So I'm just going to go to the throttle body side, use your flathead screwdriver, and do the same. Go ahead and turn that. Just loosen it, but you don't have to undo the clamp. And we're going to lift up on this air box and wiggle that off. Now as you lift up the air box on the back side, you're going to feel a little tug, and all it is this vacuum tube right here, and there's no clamp or anything on it. It just pressure fits onto this port right here. So when you install this here, you're just going to be slipping that back on. Now with the air box removed, you have access to all 5 coils, spark plugs, and boots, everything there. Let's go ahead and show you on this ignition coil right here. You're going to disconnect this connector. Now there's a lock tab on it. I'm going to use my fingertips and I'm going to gently wiggle up and undo that lock, and then push down this little spring tab and disconnect this connector like so. You use a 10mm socket, loosen that bolt. Good, remove that bolt. I'm going to be reusing that. Grab that coil, gently twist and lift up and out. Going to take your original coil assembly and you're simply going to grab this boot. I'm going to peel that down and off. Now when this comes off, it comes off with the coil spring contact inside of it. Go ahead and grab the new boot. Take the supplied coil spring here. I'm going to insert that into the center. Push that down inside. Simply take the boot and you're going to twist it up until it's fully seated on the base of the coil. Now what I like to do is take a little bit of a dielectric grease, just put a little dab on the inside, and that's it. You don't want to fill the tube, just a little dab right there. That's ready for installation. Go ahead and lower the coil down. Make sure that the ignition part faces towards the passenger side, and then install your bolt. Make sure you get that started several threads, and then you can go ahead and snug that down. Now it just has to be snug, don't over tighten this. That's it. Go ahead and grab that connector. You want to make sure that the lock is in the upward position. If it's pressed down, it will not clip on. So press that down. You're going to feel it in here it clip, and then press that lock on. So now that we have the air box back up in place, grab that vacuum hose on the back side. Now line that up and put that onto the port on the back. All right, get that vacuum hose on. Now line up this intake tube here. Push that into place. Put this hose on. I'm going to go ahead and install the 2 bolts on the passenger side of this box here. I'm just going to get the bolts started by hand. Just a few threads. Now go ahead and snug those down. Now we can go ahead and snug down the intake hose clamps. And once you feel it snug down, just give it a couple more turns there. You want to make sure that's good and snug. And do the same on this side here. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.